Hello, everyone. If you like what I'm about to talk about, my website is tombirkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media. So just as the title of this video says, a great first step for people that are genuinely interested in making their job that you either love or you hate, doesn't matter, but just to make it optional because you value freedom and you don't want to undercut your value as a free human being any longer. So if that turns you on, shoots tingles out through the tops of your head, then stick around for this particular live feed video. I just got done with my workout, so my hair is still kind of damp, and I got this Be Free shirt on, which is perfect for the top of this video, Be Free. So a great first step towards making it an optional thing is look at your daily calendar, audit your day if you have to, and find where you have 20 minutes of free time. Just 20 minutes of precious free time around your very busy schedule with work and kids and family and other obligations and whatever else is going on. So why am I picking 20 minutes? Because that's my firsthand experience when I got started back in 2007. I had about 20 minutes a day. That's all I had, and it was enough to get the ball rolling to where a few years later in 2010, the job did become optional. Pretty cool, hey? And sometimes I couldn't even do a consecutive 20 minutes. So you don't even have to do that. Sometimes I had to break it up into 10-minute blocks or 5-minute blocks, a couple minutes here, a couple minutes there. But on a daily, it was consecutively about 20 minutes in total per day. And that was enough to get the ball rolling. So there you have it. That's a great first step. Figure out where you can fit an extra 20 minutes in, even if you have to break it up. I've even done trainings since then on one of them I called the 5-minute potty break trainer, because it was a person in the same industry that I'm in who didn't have any time at all, not even the 20 minutes. But she figured, oh, well, she's on, break at her job, 5-minute potty breaks on the toilet. She'd get out her smartphone and she would build her brand new residual and passive income in her new home business model that way on her phone. So she didn't even have 20 minutes. She did it literally on her bathroom breaks at her job. So I wrote an entire training around that, so people can do it in 5-minute blocks at a time. So that's a great first step, and don't overestimate it, or don't underestimate it. Nobody's going to overestimate it, but the typical response to that is going to be, what can you really do in 20 minutes a day, Tom? Well, individually, nothing, but it adds up, and eventually it doesn't just add up, it multiplies if you do it every day. And I'm living proof of that, and there's others that are living proof of that. And there's much more proof on the other side of that coin of people who don't do it, and then they have to, their job never becomes optional. They have to live and die that way underneath the thumb of others that can tell them what to do, which is not cool. So that's it. I'll just keep it at that. If that turns you on and you want to see the model I got into back in 2007, then just private message me, or you can comment here if you want, and I can get back to you on this thread or private message, whatever you want. I typed up an article about what I do with all the details, and it's about 10 minutes worth of reading time. And feel free to share this if you want. And that's all I got for you. Bye for now.